guys, Connor here for another video, and today I'm eating an egg. So first of all, I'm gonna explain this challenge. This challenge is, well, I'm gonna eat a raw egg. This one's a large. I'm gonna do a lot more challenge videos because it's for you guys. It's for YouTube. If I just thought of an idea. If we can hit, this is gonna sound insane, but if we can hit 5 likes on this video, wanna know what I'm gonna do? I am going to surprise you with the hardest challenge ever. 10 times worse than 10 of these things in a cup eaten. Horrible challenge. If you can get 5 likes. You don't have to be watching this video. But let's get into this. Hey guys. First of all, we're going to crack it on this cup. And whoop. See, if you don't know, eggs are very splattering when you put them in a cup. They just splattered all over my pants and all over my chair. Guys, I don't even have a towel. There's one right over there, but I'm not going to use it. Look. Look. Proof that it's in there. You know what? I'm not even going to edit in this video to prove that it's real. So now, also with it, I'm going to put a bit of milk in it because I'm a wuss. I crushed the egg. That's good, I think. My brother's coming here to watch this, I think. Lol. 1 sec so you can hear me better. Get my mic closer. And move this piece of crap out of the way. Get my microphone in. There we go. So, I've got it in here. You can see some of the egg. I'm scared. We're gonna mix it around a bit. Okay. Since I don't have a spoon, I didn't prepare this very well. I don't have a spoon. Don't judge me. See, oh gosh. The yolk's not even popped. There we go. No, the yolk isn't even popped. Yes. Guys, it's just spilled everywhere when I popped the yolk. Whoa. Ew, 1 second, guys. You know what? I've got a towel right here. I just realized it. Oh gosh. I was not expecting this. You guys know I wouldn't eat the yolk completely plain. I crushed the yolk, and now I'm gonna use I'm obviously not using my finger anymore to stir in the yolk. There you go now. Oh, gross. Guys, I'm gonna cry from this. I'm seriously so addicted to this background, though. It looks so much better than my original. So, guys. Oh, gosh. Think if I forgot to upload this video, I'd cry. 1 sec, let's fix the lighting a bit. Oh gosh, I made the lighting way worse. Here we go. Actually, I'm gonna make this lighting like in my face. There we go. It's really nice lighting now. So guys, let's do this. Oh yeah, one second. I'm gonna have to do this on a countdown, but what I was gonna say, we're gonna I have an extra channel. Check out my other channel, Connor Weineke, my actual name, and I just did a Q&A, and now I'm eating an egg. 3, 2, 1, go! Guys, just that was horrible. And I didn't even get to the proper egg. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna barf. 1 second. Oh, Jesus. Oh my gosh, I need to eat that pheasant. My dad's cooking really bad.
I'm not drinking that.
Ooh. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna puke. 1 second, guys. I need to take a break.
And cut.
No, I'm not gonna cut.
Ah! Don't push me out of the video. I can be in it.
Where's the thing? Oh wait, 1 second, guys.
My phone's 1%.
Jackson,
Actually,
get me
0.
something really nice to drink.
Okay.
Get me my Gatorade. 1 second, guys. I need to go get my Gatorade. There we go, guys. I've got my Gatorade. Guys, for all you athletes that just eat raw egg, oh, how do you do that?
There we go.
Oh, keep my mic. Oh,
It's about to fall.
keep my mic.
Why? You want the mic in the video? You're not going to do a song.
I need it at the top. So people
Don't push me out of the video.
Jackson, please. Ew, I feel like I'm gonna barf. Guys, whoop, whoop. I feel right now like I am going to barf. Actually, that lighting's, I think it's the best I've had yet. I'm gonna keep my lighting like that. Wait, is this better? This is a lot harder to stand. Like, it hurts my eyes, and I kind of think this looks better. But guys, Jackson, would you like to take the final rest?
No. Just 2 girls, sorry.
Huh?
Turn now.
Yeah. Guys.
She has to drink the rest.
Guys. 1 sec. I want to see if I can make this sound so much like I auto-tune. Okay, using this fan. Dang it, the fan's on. I, Connor Weineke, will drink the rest of this
Cut.
Why do he say cut like I can cut?
How are you going to cut me off? Can you see me?
Do you see me? Do you think I'm pretty? What?
Don't you see me? Oh, do you think I'm pretty? Do you see me? Do you
I'm
think
gonna
I'm
puke.
pretty?
Guys, I'm literally gonna.
Do you see
Okay,
me?
guys. You don't want more? Okay, no, I can't feel. Oh my God, guys! Oh my God, this is. That's horrible, Jackson. That's all my light.
Let's see if can they see it.
No, give me my light back. Give me my. Oh my gosh.
That was a prank. See you guys. Sneak away.
Guys, I need more milk. 1 second.
Do you see me? Do you think I'm pretty?
That makes me look a lot more confident. Now, guys, let's do this. If like this gets 0 views, I'd cry. 3, 2, 1, go. I can't swallow it.
You okay?
It's too tough.
Too bad.
Jackson, get me a fork so I can break it up. Guys.
Wait.
When I tried to slip it down my throat, it's so slippery and just it means I have to do it all over again. I was hoping that would be it. Oh my God, give me a fork. Okay, this will work.
That's the best I could do, guys. I couldn't find a fork. A fork? Why couldn't I find a fork? Really?
There we go, guys. I think I'll be able to finish this off.
Do you think I'm pretty? Do you see me? Do you think I'm pretty?
Quiet, Jackson. I'm ready. Oh, yeah, like just my shadow now.
I want to see this. It looks gross. That was not a real book, guys.
3, 2, 1. I can't. You know what? For YouTube, Connor will finish this in 3, 2, 1. Go. I didn't spit any egg out, guys. The rest of that in there is just milk. I swallowed the egg. There's not the tiniest bit of yellow in it. Like, I could drink that right now. But I'm full. I finished the egg. Guys, I'm gonna puke. Guys, I'm gonna leave my recording room. Oh my gosh, Jackson, thank you so much. I forgot about this. I have a stomachache now. Ow. I said that I was full already, and then I chugged a bunch of Gatorade, and now I have a huge stomachache. Ow. And now I can't even drink any more Gatorade because it gives me a huge stomachache because I'm already super full because I'm just ate pheasant.
Right. Now you don't have to feel like you want to puke.
I still feel like I want to puke in my stomach. Guys, I'm going to just run over to the bathroom.
Look at my phone.
Just going to head to the bathroom. Birth and bye.